Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you're looking for a bike that will keep you having fun no matter the season, check out this one by KIAPALNO. This is their mountain bike, the 26-inch black and green, and it is fun for a brisk stroll, even on rocky terrain where it's really rough because it has wonderful shock and bump absorption, making the ride pleasurable, enjoyable for long strolls or even rougher terrain. The knobby mountain tires are great for this traction, and it comes with a bell to identify where you're at. These brakes as well are really good. There's a front and back brake that help me to stop right away or just have a little bit of fun and do some drifting. Our family gets the biggest kick out of this bike. It really can withstand the pressure that we put on it and all the fun that we enjoy while using it. This is really great for all terrains. It has an adjustable seat, so if you want a lower seat or a higher seat, it's really practical for anyone in the family. I like how it has a 21 speed shifting gear. All you do is twist the handle and it really gets that terrain or adjusted to where you're driving your bike. It has this kickstand that locks in place so you can stand up, and this is made with alloy steel and high carbon steel frame, so it can really be put to work and it's built to last. It has a wonderful quality frame, and the tires and everything about it is really strong. So this is easy for me, my family to get into sports, and it comes 85% pre-assembled. All I needed to do was attach just a few of the pieces.
I love it, but that's just my point of view.